Hello everyone. Are you wondering what Bussin means? Let's explore. Bussin is a slang term used to describe something extremely good, particularly when referring to food. When someone says that a dish is bussin, they mean it tastes amazing, full of flavor, and highly satisfying. This term has become popular in social media and among younger generations as a way to enthusiastically praise something that stands out, especially in culinary contexts. Bussin captures the idea of something being so good that it deserves special recognition, often accompanied by expressions of delight or excitement. While it's most commonly used for food, it can also be applied to other experiences or items that are exceptionally enjoyable. In essence, Bussin is about acknowledging something that exceeds expectations and delivers a memorable experience. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.